This 2023 Dutchmen Coleman 17B front east-west bed, bunk beds, rear bath is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, microwave, air conditioning, stovetop burner, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Dutchmen Coleman 17B front east-west bed, bunk beds, rear bath is 2,962 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.